So here today we are going to study about states of matter. So basically we have three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. If I asked you now, mobile, for example mobile, which state does it belongs to, you can easily answer solid. But the perfect definition for solid can be answered by only few of you, right? So let us see the perfect definition. So solids are the substances which are rigid, fixed. Solids have rigid properties, fixed shape. They have fixed shape and they cannot be squashed. Right? What do you mean by that now? See, compressible. Particles of solid are already tightly packed, so we can't compress them too much, right? We can't compress them a little bit too, because they are tightly packed. They do not have much space between them to be compressed. Okay, so solids are the substances which have fixed shape and volume. This may be the perfect definition for solids. Okay, liquids. So basically liquids have fixed volume but not fixed shape. Gases, in gases they do not have fixed volume or fixed shape. Okay, they take the shape of the container. Liquids take the shape of the container. Gases are all around us. The things, if I showed you an empty bottle and asked you what is inside the bottle, then you may answer it is empty, but actually air is filled in the bottle. Okay, so gases are all around us. Okay, so let us see some physical properties. So solids are rigid. Okay, rigid. Okay, they have fixed shape, fixed volume and cannot be compressed. They should be compressed. Okay, compressed word is better than squashed. Okay, so yeah, here too. See, liquids can be compressed but easily compressible. So yeah, LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. The LPG, there is both the things, liquefied and gas. So okay, LPG is a gas, but by using the method of compressible, it is compressed into liquid. Okay. So next, let us see some characteristics of particles of matter, which we had studied in previous lecture. See, particles of matter, each and every particle of matter undergo this characteristics, but in solids this may be maximum, minimum. So let us see that they are very small. So particles of matter are very small in each and every state of matter. Okay, that is similar in all. They have space between them. Okay, so in solids there is a minimum space between them, and in liquids it's intermediate. See, not much more than gases but not too less than solids. It's intermediate space. Okay, in gases it's maximum. The space in the gases is maximum. Okay, they attract each other. So attraction is maximum in solids. Again in liquids it's intermediate, and in gases it's minimum. They are continuously moving. See, by using a common sense we can tell in which there is maximum and minimum movement. Okay, see, they have space between them. We had seen that solids, in the solids the space is very less, so obviously the movement between the particles is also minimum. Again in gases there is a maximum space, so obviously they are continuously moving. So I told you in solids there is a minimum movement, where on the other hand in gases there is maximum, and in liquids, everything in liquids I think it's intermediate. Yeah, they are very small. It's similar in all though, except that everything is intermediate in liquids In solids, it may be maximum or maybe minimum. Same thing on the gases. Okay, so I told you they are continuously moving. So when an object continuously moves, they undergo kinetic energy. Okay, so what is that? Kinetic energy is a type of energy which is produced when an object is continuously moving. So this kinetic energy can overcome in solids. There is a minimum movement, where on the other hand in gases there is maximum, and in liquids, everything liquids, I think it's intermediate. Yeah, they are very small. It's similar in all though, except that everything is intermediate in liquids. In solids, it may be maximum or maybe minimum. Same thing on the gases. Okay, so I told you they are continuously moving. So when an object continuously moves, they undergo kinetic energy. Okay, so what is that? Kinetic energy is a type of energy which is produced when an object is continuously moving. So this kinetic energy can overcome the force of attraction. So yeah, you can see when we heat up the liquid, the water, for example, the water, it transforms into gases. How is it possible? So yeah, temperature, when temperature is increased, the movement, so yeah, they undergo kinetic energy. So when temperature is increased, the the movement of the particle increases. So when the movement increases, obviously kinetic energy too, it will increase. This kinetic energy overcome the force of attraction. Okay, in liquids there is intermediate force of attraction. Now this kinetic energy is overcoming that force. That means the force of attraction gets decreases as heat, as temperature increases. You can also tell, as temperature increases, the force of attraction decreases because of kinetic energy. It overcomes the force of attraction. Okay, so this is the reason why heating transforms the transforms heating is used to change the state of matter. Okay.